What's up, BBs?
Hey, BBs.
So we are together this time. And speaking of together, we are going to be opening a Tomorrow by Together Klootbox.
Yay.
So let's crack it open and see what we got.
Let's see.
So like Brandon showed y'all last time, when you first open it, you can see all the different artists that are up here. And what we love about it is it's growing more and more each time. So you got Hyphen, you got Twice, you got Mama Moo, Tomorrow by Together, Blackpink. So all your favorite artists. So definitely order one of these Klootboxes. It's amazing.
Yeah, this one came in a much timelier fashion than the Twice one. It just kind of, I think it just kind of depends sometimes on what's going on. So your mileage may vary with how quickly you get it.
Yeah. So the first thing we got here is whole steak. Potato sticks. These look good.
They do.
Let me hand you those. Always a little discount code, so we love those.
Take those.
We got ramen. Everything is stuck.
Yeah, they use this sticky adhesive between to like connecting all the stuff.
So we definitely got some ramen here. Looks good.
It does.
I'll set that there. We have
Like some fruit snacks? Something like that?
those are definitely jellies.
Yeah.
These are jellies.
They look like raspberry on there.
If it's not raspberry, it is lychee.
Okay.
By
Orion.
those look good. And
Now we get to the stuff.
we get into the merch, y'all. So let's see what we got in here. So this is what everything was sticking to. So we got a t-shirt. This is from Act Sweet Mirage. That's cute.
Yeah.
I like that.
I kept the Twice on she should keep that one. Especially since it's black and she loves black.
I love
We
black.
both do, but her more than me.
Yes. Look, I'm gonna let you hold on to that for the moment. So, Brandon's bias in Twice is Chili. So my bias in Tomorrow by Together is Yeonjun. So, let's see what goodies they gave us. What we got?
It look like a pillowcase?
What?
Oh wow, looks like a little pillowcase.
It's a TXT pillowcase, y'all.
It's cute.
OT5. I love this. Absolutely adore it. Gonna set that there. And then we got, I'm gonna do that one last. We got a, what is this?
Is that, I don't know.
What is this?
Is that the thing for like the, no, it's not the thing for the phone. Oh, it's like a little stand. It's like a little
Oh! Let me see if I can assemble this, y'all.
Just gotta push it down in there and get. See if I can. Where is it?
It's a stand, y'all.
Yeah. Trying to get it in there, not breaking.
Right.
There we go. So get them. And there is Choyeonju.
I love it. And then we have a OT5
Yeah.
keychain.
Yeah, it's like the Chewy one I got. And
I'ma
it's
try to
like
get
a little
the,
mirror on the back. Should be.
I'm gonna get the key ring out of the way. Let's see if there's a mirror on the back. I'll open this one up. This one does have a mirror on the back. So it's a keychain.
Okay, so that's like one of their staples. It looks like
That's
these little
cute.
mirror keychains.
And then we got Nowhere near as many as Twice though, but
Yeah.
we got some photo cards.
Yeah. Like that Twice one had like decks.
It was decks on decks. So yeah, we got some photo cards. These are cute.
Oh, they got the little
Unikai.
signatures on the back of this first one.
Oh yeah. Moa. Oh, we got Yunju. Taehyung. Bumgyu. Oh, there. It's a bear on the back. So this is all 5. These are so cute. I do like this one that has all their signatures.
Yeah. That's dope.
So that completes the Kloot box, y'all.
That was a light one. But
It's a light one. Always a joy to open these.
There's good stuff in there.
It is, y'all. So let us know what you guys think. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, BBs.
All right, BBs. Bye.
Bye.